The latest release of Metanautix Quest enables analyst and BI teams to easily build secure and isolated software-defined data marts. Quest can run either on-premise or in the cloud using VMware virtual machines. In this video, we first highlight how Quest extracts live data from on-premise data silos in Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle into vCloud Air object storage. Let's see how this works. Both our local MS SQL and Oracle instances contain the standard TPC-DS benchmark dataset. Here in MS SQL, we can examine the contents of the store sales table. Now let's go to vCloud Air and create a new object storage bucket. We will name it Metanautix Snapshot. We can examine the bucket's contents to see that it is empty. Quest is running in an on-premise data center using VMware vCenter. The landing page shows us workspaces associated with a snapshot catalog or data mart. Let's create a new workspace. We'll call it Snapshot MS SQL to Object Storage, and we choose the snapshot catalog and click Create. Here we're going to run a Quest pipeline, which encapsulates a set of SQL operations, and in this case, it's called Snapshot MS SQL to Object Storage. The pipeline takes as input parameters the MS SQL Server URL, the MS SQL database, which is TPC-DS, the MS SQL table to snapshot, in this case store sales, and finally the object storage bucket, which is Metanautix Snapshot. We now execute the query. The data has been successfully extracted, and if we refresh the object storage bucket, we can now see an MS SQL folder which contains the store sales data. Let's create a new cell to preview the data. Notice that the data is an exact copy of the store sales table in MS SQL. Now let's snapshot all of the tables in the TPC-DS database. So we run a Quest pipeline to introspect all of the MS SQL foreign tables contained in a given database. As with the first pipeline, we supply the server URL, the database to introspect, the object storage bucket, and finally a destination table name for the results, and we'll preview the results and click Execute. You can see here the MS SQL TPC-DS tables. And now we'll run the same snapshot pipeline as above, but in this case on all of the TPC-DS tables. So we can refresh the object storage bucket, and we see all of the TPC-DS tables have been copied. And we can run a similar pipeline to snapshot, in this case, the customer table from our local Oracle instance. If we refresh our object storage bucket, we can now see the Oracle data as well. In summary, Metanautix Quest enables live data from a variety of on-premise data silos to be consolidated into vCloud Air object storage.